Hello, hello, and welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
Today we are extending our core series. We are drinking the Creme De Violette.
All right.
Be sure to hit that like and hit that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this purple liquid in my glass?
Yay, purple liquid's pretty. It's not really coming. Here, the bottle's probably.
It looks like grape Kool-Aid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, purple. Really purple.
Purple drink.
Drink.
All right, so Creme de Violette. This is the Rothman and winter version. Is made at the Purkhart distillery in Steyr, Austria. It's 20%. It's made since 1932. The Purkhart family is making eaux-de-vie, brandy, schnapps, liqueurs. This is made from Queen Charlotte and March violets up in the Alps of Austria. It is a pure violet, no sugar added, no vanilla added. Its fruit base is brandy, and then the flowers are added to it to make a juice and so the intensity of the flavor. It's bottled at a higher proof with less sugar than the other one on the market. So no weird, just liqueur, no fake crap that you see in a lot of the liqueurs.
No fake crap.
Actually bottle. So it takes up less bar space, what they said, which makes sense. Makes awesome cocktails known as the Aviation or the Blue Moon, which is one of my personal favorites. This also goes well with sparkling wine. It does contain blue number 1 and red 40. So that's how you make purple. Red and blue. Yay.
Science.
Artificially colored. And damn.
None of that fake crap. This is all real crap.
Well, I was going to say...
It's very floral.
I was going to say it's very, very violet. It's very, very floral, but I could get behind a grape note.
Yeah.
And I didn't because of the color. But then we call it brandy. So, I mean, we know.
Yeah, which makes sense. Yep. Very violet, very grapey, very, very floral.
It really does look like grape Kool-Aid.
It does. It smells like
really
grape drink.
dark in the center, but when you pull it out thin it out, it reminds me of what I used to mix my vodka with back in the day.
It's super heavily sugared.
Grape Kool-Aid.
Grape Kool-Aid with
why I can't drink grape Kool-Aid now.
Yeah. It's very perfuming, to say the least.
Yeah, it's that
really
plus
is.
Perfume. It's that plus a very floral component.
Like it smells pretty.
Yes, it makes you feel pretty.
I feel pretty. It tastes just like it smells. It tastes pretty.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got a very perfumey,
It doesn't ever get. Oh, it's really sweet. The finish is getting sweeter and sweeter. It didn't start off as sweet as it's becoming now, but it's good. I don't dislike it at all.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Tastes
I
like
can understand why that mixes well with the other things and why that plays well with other cocktail components.
So good with gin.
It would mix well with wine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's awesome with gin and a little twist with lemon. Oh, it's delicious. It's also got like this floral heavy whipping cream. It's like being in the middle of the Alps in a field full of violets. I mean, that's what it tastes like. It's like the freaking Sound of Music in your glass.
With the sound of music.
Oh, I'm totally putting that.
That was beautiful.
What a beautiful thing of the Sound of Music on the thumbnail of this.
I'll take some video of William later, like spinning. Out.
I like how you will.
That would be hilarious.
Photoshop some flowers in the field.
There you go. That'll be great.
Oh my gosh, it's not that bad. I
like this.
I might actually, be okay with mixing this in some grape Kool-Aid.
I definitely I'm going to put this in some gin here in just a minute and try that. Yeah. All
I
the
like
juniper and all that. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
You set it in the right light, you could see it's kind of blue.
Yeah.
It took me like 12 years to track down a bottle of this too. So
really, and yours almost gone.
Yep, it's almost gone. Thankfully, I found another one.
So it's that hard to get.
It's starting to finally show up now, but for a long time, most people are going to sort of like, "What are you talking about?" Well, I found it in an old Mr. Boston book, so I tried to buy everything in Mr. Boston. With the goal.
So what does it run?
It's like $30.
That's not bad.
Nice.
Yeah, there's cheaper versions which I do not like anywhere near as much as this one that I've tried, and they kind of suck. But this one is really good. Well, it's just sugary and it is gross. This one is just the right balance.
There's no
I was
fake
gonna
crap.
say there's not. It's not overly sweet. It's trying. It almost gets there. It goes that direction for me, but it just
doesn't really
actually
get there.
over the top. So
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Excellent. All right. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers. That was pretty good.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's get this one going. Get it going. Good.
What?
Yeah. 3, 2.
Fucking Elmer Fudd or something?
Keep on crusading better with liquids in your glass. I'm gonna say it again. Hang on. I gotta say that again because I was all
Tongue-tied.
Mm-hmm.